Good morning, friend. If you're over 60, what you're about to learn could completely transform your health, starting with your very next breakfast. Your morning meal could be silently destroying your body, and 99% of seniors don't even know it. Some of the most common breakfast foods we've trusted for years are actually linked to rapid muscle loss, blood sugar crashes, and memory decline. It's a harsh truth, but one you need to hear. Every single morning, millions of seniors start their day with foods that secretly harm their bodies. These meals feel healthy and familiar. You might have been eating them for decades. But here's what's truly frightening. 98% of seniors over 60 are consuming at least one of these dangerous foods every week, completely unaware of the damage being done. Once this damage begins, it accumulates. The inflammation builds quietly. The blood sugar swings worsen gradually. The muscle loss accelerates silently. But here's the good news that should give you real hope. You can completely reverse this pattern, and you can start tomorrow morning. New research reveals something remarkable. Replacing just one dangerous breakfast food with the right alternative can improve your strength, reduce inflammation, and even help reverse memory decline. Think about that. One simple switch at breakfast could change everything. In this comprehensive guide, we'll reveal 4 breakfast foods seniors should never touch and 4 you must eat daily. These are ranked in exact order of danger and benefit based on scientific research that might surprise you. The number 1 beneficial food we'll discuss showed a 52% reduction in inflammatory markers in just 8 weeks. Yet almost nobody is eating it regularly. Every fact I'm sharing today comes from peer-reviewed studies conducted specifically on seniors. This isn't speculation or trendy advice. It's real science that can make a real difference in your life. The 4 breakfast foods that are harming your health. Dangerous food number 4. Instant oatmeal packets. Let's begin with a breakfast that might shock you. Those convenient instant oatmeal packets sitting in your pantry right now. They look innocent enough. The box probably says heart healthy in bold letters, but these packets are actually one of the worst breakfast choices any senior can make. Here's why this matters so much. Instant oatmeal has been ultra-processed. The oats are broken down so completely that your body digests them almost instantly. This floods your bloodstream with sugar within minutes of eating. It's like injecting glucose directly into your veins. Most packets contain over 18 grams of sugar per serving. That's before you add anything else. Many also include maltodextrin, a processed carbohydrate that spikes insulin even faster than table sugar. When this hits your system first thing in the morning, your body goes into crisis mode. Your blood sugar rockets up, your insulin surges to compensate. Then, about 2 hours later, everything crashes hard. You feel shaky, exhausted, and hungrier than before you ate. This roller coaster is particularly dangerous for seniors. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate high glycemic breakfasts had 47% higher inflammation levels for the next 6 hours. The damage continues long after breakfast ends. Even worse, these repeated morning sugar spikes increase insulin resistance risk by 40% over time. For older adults whose insulin sensitivity is already declining, this is a direct path to type 2 diabetes. If you love oats, there's a safe way to enjoy them. Buy steel-cut oats instead. Soak them overnight, cook them slowly, and never add sugar. Try cinnamon or fresh berries for natural sweetness. Your goal is steady, sustained energy, not a metabolic explosion that leaves you struggling all morning. Dangerous food number 3. Flavored yogurt cups. Our third dangerous food hides behind a healthy reputation. Flavored yogurt cups promise probiotics, calcium, and a light start to your day. But these innocent-looking containers are metabolic traps for seniors. These small plastic cups often contain more sugar than candy bars. Some brands pack 22 grams of added sugar into one serving. That's over 5 teaspoons of pure sugar hitting your system when you're most vulnerable to blood sugar swings. Beyond the sugar, these yogurts contain artificial sweeteners, synthetic flavors, thickening gums, and artificial colors. Each of these triggers inflammation and disrupts your gut health. For seniors, this is serious business. A study in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors eating high-sugar dairy for breakfast experienced 34% higher inflammatory markers within 2 hours. This inflammation doesn't just make you feel bad. It actively damages tissues, weakens immunity, and accelerates cognitive decline and muscle wasting. The low-fat versions are equally problematic. When manufacturers remove fat, they add sugar for flavor. You lose the benefits of natural fat, which helps regulate blood sugar and nutrient absorption, both critical for aging bodies. The solution is simple. Choose plain Greek yogurt. Not vanilla, not honey-flavored, just plain. Add your own fresh fruit or cinnamon. You'll get protein and probiotics without the metabolic chaos. This small change makes a massive difference in protecting your brain, energy, and blood sugar stability. Dangerous food number 2. Breakfast cereals. This might be the biggest nutritional lie ever sold to seniors. Most breakfast cereals, even those labeled multigrain or high fiber, are ultra-processed, sugar-loaded, and nutritionally empty. The healthy-looking box covers up what's really inside. These cereals start as refined grains, pulverized into fast-digesting carbohydrates. Manufacturers add sweeteners, additives, and synthetic vitamins your body can't properly use. The result is a product that spikes blood sugar while providing no real nourishment. British medical journal studies show processed cereals increase type 2 diabetes risk by 21%, especially in older adults. The Nurses' Health Study found people eating cereal as their main breakfast had 36% higher risk of dangerous abdominal fat after 60. This isn't just about weight. Abdominal fat is hormonally active. It releases inflammatory compounds that break down muscle and raise stroke risk. Every bowl of cereal starts your day with a chemical cocktail that inflames your body and weakens your metabolism. Even no sugar-added cereals contain fruit juice concentrate or malt extract with identical damaging effects. Many seniors choose cereal because it's soft and easy to eat, especially with dental issues. But this convenience comes at a terrible cost to your health. There are better quick options that stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Cereal isn't one of them. It's among the most dangerous breakfast habits any older adult can maintain. Dangerous food number 1. White toast with margarine or jam. Here's the worst breakfast mistake seniors make daily. White toast with margarine or jam seems harmless. It's quick, cheap, and traditional. But this combination delivers devastating blows to your metabolism, brain, and muscles before 9 in the morning. White bread is pure starch, stripped of fiber and minerals. Within minutes, your blood sugar spikes like you've drunk soda. Add margarine filled with inflammatory seed oils, and you've created an inflammation bomb. Top with jam, and you're eating concentrated sugar on processed fat. The science is alarming. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found older adults regularly eating refined bread with trans fats had 48% higher cognitive decline risk over 5 years. Another study showed this breakfast reduced insulin sensitivity by 34% in adults over 60. This isn't just about energy crashes. This breakfast damages blood vessel walls, weakens immunity, and shrinks muscles through chronic inflammation. The impact is silent but severe. If you're protecting your independence and mobility, eliminate this combination completely. Even whole wheat toast can be problematic for those with gluten sensitivity or blood sugar issues. White toast with margarine and jam is the single most dangerous breakfast seniors can eat, yet it's served everywhere, every day. The 4 breakfast foods that will transform your health. Now let's explore the positive changes you can make immediately. These 4 foods aren't just healthy alternatives. They're scientifically proven to fight inflammation, boost energy, protect muscle mass, and enhance brain function. Beneficial food number 4. Chia seed pudding. This might surprise you, but chia seed pudding is one of the most powerful breakfasts for anyone over 60. These tiny seeds deliver massive nutritional benefits your aging body desperately needs. When soaked overnight, chia seeds transform into a gel-like pudding providing steady energy and cellular support. 2 tablespoons contain 10 grams of fiber and 4 grams of omega-3 fatty acids. This combination is crucial for senior health. Research in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging found older adults consuming more soluble fiber had 39% better insulin sensitivity. Those getting regular omega-3s showed 30% less muscle degradation. These aren't minor improvements, they're game changers. Chia seeds slow digestion naturally. Your blood sugar rises gently and stays stable for hours. No crashes, no fog, just sustained clarity and strength. The gel texture also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving nutrient absorption and immune function. Preparation couldn't be simpler. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of unsweetened almond or coconut milk. Refrigerate overnight. In the morning, add cinnamon or berries. No cooking, no difficult chewing, no blood sugar spikes. Just silent, powerful nutrition working throughout your body. Beneficial food number 3. Beet smoothies. Most people never consider beets for breakfast, but for seniors, this vegetable can transform how your blood flows, muscles perform, and brain functions. Beets contain natural nitrates that convert to nitric oxide in your body. This compound widens blood vessels and dramatically improves circulation. As we age, blood flow slows. Oxygen and nutrients move sluggishly. Muscles don't repair efficiently. Your brain lacks fuel. You feel tired and weak. Beets change everything. The Journal of Gerontology published research showing seniors drinking beet juice daily improved muscle oxygenation by 21% and walking speed by 19%. Wake Forest University found beet-rich breakfasts improved brain function in just 4 days, specifically in areas controlling decision-making and memory. You don't need raw beets. Blend half a cup of cooked beets with water and lemon juice. Drink it 30 minutes before activity for noticeable energy improvements. The earthy taste pairs well with berries or banana. This simple addition helps you move freely, think clearly, and maintain muscle longer. Beneficial food number 2. Pasture. Raised eggs. Eggs have been unfairly criticized for decades, but science tells a different story for seniors. Pasture-raised eggs provide complete nutrition perfectly suited for aging bodies. 1 egg delivers 6 grams of highly absorbable protein plus B12, vitamin D, choline, and selenium. These nutrients are essential for muscle maintenance, memory, and metabolism. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors consuming 25 grams of protein at breakfast maintained 45% more muscle mass than those eating carbohydrates alone. Eggs also provide choline, crucial for brain health and neurotransmitter function. Most seniors are deficient without knowing it. Pasture-raised eggs specifically contain more omega-3s and vitamin D than conventional eggs, thanks to the chicken's natural diet and sunlight exposure. Preparation matters. Skip inflammatory oils. Use olive oil, grass-fed butter, or poach in water. Soft-boiled, scrambled, or over easy preserve nutrients best. For those with chewing difficulties, eggs are perfect. They're soft, satisfying, and foundational for long-term health. Beneficial food number 1. Wild blueberries. This is the single most important breakfast food for seniors. Not large, watery supermarket blueberries, but small, dark wild blueberries packed with concentrated healing compounds. Wild blueberries contain extraordinary levels of anthocyanins, plant compounds that reverse oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and repair brain tissue. The research is stunning. Nutrients Journal reported seniors eating 1 cup of wild blueberries daily showed significant memory and attention improvements within 90 days. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition documented something remarkable: a 52% reduction in inflammatory markers in older adults adding wild blueberries to breakfast. No medication achieves this without side effects. These berries improve blood flow to brain and muscles, boosting coordination, energy, and recovery. For seniors, this means fewer falls, sharper thinking, and extended independence. Use frozen or fresh wild blueberries, not cultivated varieties. They're smaller, darker, with higher active compounds. Blend into smoothies, top chia pudding, or mix with Greek yogurt. They protect cells, feed your brain, and fuel muscles without spiking blood sugar. If you make one breakfast change this year, add wild blueberries. For seniors protecting their mind, mobility, and independence, nothing works better. You now understand the truth about breakfast. It either builds your body or breaks it down. For seniors, the difference appears quickly. Wrong foods like instant oatmeal, flavored yogurt, processed cereal, and white toast don't just spike blood sugar temporarily. They create lasting inflammation, weaken muscles, damage joints, and steal independence. But you control your breakfast choices, which means you control how you age. Right foods like chia pudding, beet smoothies, pasture-raised eggs, and wild blueberries repair damage, fuel recovery, and provide exactly what you need to stay strong into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. These aren't fads. They're science-backed solutions proven in studies with real seniors achieving real results. This is nutrition with purpose. Start with one change this week. Replace one dangerous food with one beneficial option. Commit for 2 weeks. Most seniors report better energy within days, reduced pain within a week, and improved clarity within 2 weeks. Your mornings matter immensely. Breakfast sets your metabolic tone for the entire day. Make smart choices now, and your body will reward you for years to come. Making dietary changes at any age feels challenging. Maybe you've eaten the same breakfast for decades. Change isn't easy, but your health deserves the effort. You've already taken the crucial first step by learning. Knowledge empowers health decisions. Now you know which foods harm and which heal. That puts you ahead of 99% of your peers. It's never too late to improve. Your body has remarkable healing ability when properly nourished. Seniors in their 90s have transformed their health through these breakfast changes. You can too. Share this information with loved ones who could benefit. Sometimes knowledge is the greatest gift. Your future self will thank you for changes you make today. Here's to stronger mornings, better health, and many vibrant years ahead. You deserve to age with strength and dignity. It starts with breakfast. You're not just feeding your body. You're fueling your future. Make it count.